Hello everyone. Paris Saint-Germain have once again proved their dominance in European football by defeating Aston Villa 2-1 in the UEFA Super Cup. The match took place in Salzburg, where Champions League winners PSG faced Europa League winners Aston Villa in a battle for European glory. PSG started strongly, with several players from their Champions League winning team included in the starting lineup. In the 20th minute, Georgian star Khvicha Kvaratskhelia opened the scoring with a powerful strike at the near post, giving PSG a 1-0 lead. But Aston Villa did not give up. Just before halftime, 17-year-old debutant Brian Madjo produced a memorable moment. After receiving a perfect pass from Brian Madjo, the young striker fired the ball into the roof of the PSG net to make it 1-1. The second half continued at a high intensity, with both teams creating dangerous opportunities. Then, in the 61st minute, PSG's Désiré Doué found the back of the net. The goal was initially ruled offside, but after a VAR review, it was confirmed that Aston Villa defender Matty Cash had played Doué onside. PSG were now back in front 2-1. Aston Villa continued to search for an equalizer, but PSG's defense and goalkeeper Matvei Safonov stood firm. Despite several late chances, Villa could not find a second goal. The final whistle confirmed a 2-1 victory for Paris Saint-Germain. PSG have now made a winning start to their new season, and their ambitions remain huge as they look to continue their dominance in European football. Can PSG go on to win another Champions League title? Only time will tell. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more football updates. Thanks for watching.